Yeah, big up my viewers, big up subscribers. I don't know, so Newlink is here from Newlink Production and the team. Well, my people, right now, I'm going to talk about this thing that happened in Trinidad and Tobago, where a Jamaican guy right now is in custody for the murder of two Trinidadian male. Well, people, Jano, it is not a good look right now because two man has been killed by this Jamaican man, and one of this man is also an entertainer, an artist in Trinidad and Tobago, not the big artist but a young one, you understand, who goes by the name of Dan Clean. And people, you need to have a brother also was killed already, who was a bigger artist than him named Blazer Dan. Well, people will just get into it and tell you exactly what them say, right? Alright, it is said that in this part of Trinidad, Chikungun has a place like named Langsville or something like that, right? At a service station where the Jamaican was employed. He's 25 years old. So an argument developed with him, which one of the deceased is 31, which is the artist who is Dan Clean, and the next one who is Dan Clean's friend who is 30 years old. So argument developed with the two of them. When the argument developed now, after the two man them jump into them car and like them a go drive away. Shortly after that, the Jamaica guy chuck inside the car, pull his knife and start stab both man in the neck and in the chest and all about. The car, he jump out of the car and the car drive away, hitting the place where the two man died on the spot. Them dead on the spot, people. Understand? The police them come and everything. They move the body and everything, and while the Jamaican male was arrested. So right now them a watch the surveillance camera to see everything what took place, because they don't know what started the argument and what the argument was all about, because we don't get that anyways, we don't get that information, but we know that two man dead. You understand? Two Trinidadian man was killed. Well, people, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. We see the other day where a Jamaican was killed by a Grenadian man by knife also. Now we see a Jamaican man, you understand? Well, meaning when me say it's not a good look. Alright, look at it. You know, Trinidad is a very serious place, just like Jamaica. Violent as well, you understand? It's smaller than Jamaica, so you don't know, so you're not gonna have it heavy crime rate like Jamaica, but it's very, yeah, like Jamaica. And maybe, I'll be honest to you, this man fear for his life and he decided that he gonna take this man out because maybe a threat was put toward this man that they're gonna drive away and come back for him. You don't know, just saying, but still yet, it give no man's the right to take someone's life like that, because as what the news say, the man them jumping at them car, them a go drive away, him chuck in at the car and him stab them up, kill them, which them a go charge him for that. If it was a matter where it's self-defense, where there was altercation now and him eventually stab them in another case there, him would then, you understand? But people, we know we have to protect ourselves. As Jamaican, as Trinidadian, as Grenadian, as Guyanese, as Bahamian, as Turks Islander, as whoever you are from the Caribbean or wherever you are, any country where you go, you have to protect yourself no matter what. You understand? In self-defense. But in situations like these, the man them say them a go drive where them a go. You know what you do? Find yourself, go to the station. You understand? Make a call, make a report or something, and move off the location where the man them can come, or what? Go back to your country. Simple. Now, you take two man life. And just be honest in the people, and no link is all about the truth. Two man life has gone now. Two murder count is on your shoulder right now at the age of 25, right? It's not a good look. It's surely not a good look. And for the families and everything right now, your family, those two male family, no say they're really sad right now and they feel very terrible about this situation, people, which I do feel very terrible about it, because I just know I think matters can be dealt with in a different manner, in a different way. And as I'm telling people, me as a Jamaican, I'm in someone else's country right now. And you know what I do? I try to be as humble, as calm, as respectable I can be to these personnel from their country, because this is not my country. So yes, when we got people country, we cannot behave like it's our country. I'm just being honest. You understand? And still, don't let nobody kill you in another country. Protect yourself. You understand? Because at the end of the day, things ain't good. It ain't good. And at the end of the day, problem. So as my viewers and my subscribers, as me get any more update on this matter, I will keep you posted, I will keep you informed, but it's not a good look. Surely not a good look. Channel. Don't know if this is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attack my people. Enough love, enough respect, big up.